Hey Shata gang, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed. Hey Shata gang, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, go subscribe now. I don't know what you're waiting on. Anyways, this video is gonna be a story time on this this tattoo I just got. Says Cookie. I got it because my grandmother and my aunt all had the same like family nickname. Everybody in the family called them Cookie, and they both passed away. So I figured I would get a tattoo to commemorate them. But these special women. Anyways, another thing, I didn't get a lot of videos. Well, yeah, I didn't get a lot of videos of me actually getting a tattoo. When I got there, nobody was able to record me. So, just whatever. I'm gonna insert those now. Alright, so I just got over here. I'm about to go inside. I think I might stop and get something to eat first, though. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So we're about to start. Can I see the other fonts again? Can I see the other fonts?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Okay, sorry. So yeah, guys, after I left the tattoo parlor, I went back to this parking lot where I parked my car. My car was gone. My car was gone. I was sitting there and I'm like, this can't be happening to me. But anyways, the tow truck guy was there, so I walked up to him and asked him where they take the car. She said, oh, it's on the sign. I looked it up. It was like 7 minutes away. So I walked over there. It turned out I was like right next to Barco. Y'all, when I got there, we only take cash. So I had to go back out and go to the ATM at that chicken shack. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but there's like 2 chicken shacks. I went to one of the chicken shacks and I went and I took out money. So I see this guy riding his bike. I come outside, this nigga's sitting outside the door. I'm like, I would have died today. Like, I'm just looking, I'm like, this nigga's smiling at me all weird. Like, he looked like, not Get Out. It's another movie. I can't think of the name of it at the moment. I'm probably going to insert the name somewhere when I think of it, but I think the creators of Get Out made the movie that I'm talking about. But he had this weird ass smile. He was just staring at me. He was just on some creep shit. I was like, I was scared. So I walked back to the pound and I got my car out home, but it just wasn't a good day. Like, I don't know. It was supposed to be a good day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments in the description. I always answer all my comments, so don't worry. And you know, subscribe so you know when my next video is coming out.
Makers.
Run that back, turbo.
Hey, hey,